Unlocking perseverance. Make a new attempt. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very empowering phrase: make a new attempt. This phrase is not just about language. It's about life. It's about not giving up, about trying again, even if you faced setbacks. So, if you've ever felt discouraged after a failure, this video is for you. Let's embark on this journey together and discover how this simple phrase can inspire resilience and determination. Make a new attempt is a phrase that encourages someone to try doing something again after a previous effort was unsuccessful. It's about not letting failure or setbacks stop you from reaching your goals. This phrase is made up of a few key components. Make, to create or do something new, something that has not been done before, in this context, a fresh start. Attempt, an act of trying to achieve something. When combined, these words form a powerful call to action, urging us to face challenges head-on with a renewed sense of purpose. Why is it important to make a new attempt? This concept is crucial because success rarely comes without failure. Every attempt, whether successful or not, is a learning experience. It teaches us resilience, helps us improve our strategies, and builds our confidence. By making a new attempt, we demonstrate our commitment to our goals and our belief in our ability to overcome obstacles. Making a new attempt requires more than just the desire to try again. It involves reflection, planning, and sometimes, a change in approach. Here are a few steps to consider. 1. Reflect on what didn't work the last time. Understanding your previous mistakes is crucial for improvement. 2. Learn from those mistakes. Identify what you can do differently in your next attempt. 3. Plan your next steps. Having a clear strategy increases your chances of success. 4. Stay motivated. Find inspiration in stories of others who succeeded after multiple attempts. 5. Act. Put your plan into action and make your new attempt with confidence. Let's look at some common scenarios where you might make a new attempt. Retaking a test you didn't pass the first time. Reapplying for a job after being rejected. Trying a new method to learn English after the previous one didn't work out. In each of these situations, the phrase, make a new attempt, serves as a reminder that failure is not the end of the road. It's just a stepping stone to success. Thank you for joining me today to explore the empowering phrase, make a new attempt. Remember, every successful person has faced failure at some point. What sets them apart is their willingness to try again, to learn from their mistakes, and to persevere until they achieve their goals. So, the next time you face a setback, remind yourself to make a new attempt. Your success story is just waiting to be written. Stay motivated, keep learning, and never give up on your dreams. See you in our next video.